Hello and good day. Thank you for your time. Get instant access to 16,000 woodworking projects now. This is a one-time purchase. There are no monthly fees. Projects come with superb step-by-step plans, even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Each of the 16,000 projects are detailed enough to leave nothing to guesswork, yet simple enough for beginners. It contains complete instructions from start to finish, leaving absolutely no guesswork. Here's what I'm talking about. 1. Step-by-step instructions. You get detailed projects with step-by-step, A to Z instructions that makes building projects super fast, super easy and super fun. With the simple hold-you-by-the-hand instructions, you can complete woodworking projects in a small fraction of the time it currently takes you. It's like having a master woodworker, by your side, guiding you through the entire project. 2. Cutting and amp, materials list. You get exact cutting and materials list for every project. You'll be able to buy exact amounts, which means you'll stop wasting your hard-earned cash on wrong wood, wrong materials or the wrong quantity. It saves time and cuts down waste. It saves money. You'll spend more time building, less time fretting. 3. Detailed schematics with sharp and colorful schematics included in each plan. There's simply no guesswork involved. The level of details makes the most challenging project a walk in the park. When instructions are this clear, your project builds itself. All the pieces just click into place. You'll complete projects in a fraction of the time it usually takes you. 4. Views from all angles. You get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. Most plans don't include this and simply assume. You'll end up building something that doesn't look like the drawing. You get intricate details of every angle, every corner, every joint. The plans will never leave you guessing or scratching your head over any detail. 5. Suitable for beginners and amp professionals. We've got plans that cover all levels of skill and competence. You do not need to be a master woodworker or have expensive machinery to use our plans. Whether you're a complete beginner, an amateur woodworker with hand tools or a seasoned pro, you'll find thousands of projects that will suit your level. Well, thank you for listening and watching. Copy the link for more information and finally have a good day. And thank you again. Bye.